Monday, November 25th. It is Thanksgiving week. I am literally, the reason I'm on early at 7:58 and my stomach is rumbling is because I haven't eaten breakfast, but I am packing up to head to New Jersey. So I figured I'd do a little show. And the reason I'm doing a show is I don't think enough people have entered the contest. There is a free 1 year. You can win 1 year of Trendspider. Just go to my YouTube channel, okay? You're going to look at this win one free year right here. You're going to comment on that video. You're also going to follow myself and Trendspider, and you can win an entire year of Trendspider Advanced, not just the basic service. You'll get the Advanced. This is the $2,682 a year plan. Comes with free one-on-one training. Comes with 100 simultaneous bots, 400 alerts, 20 active windows. It comes with everything that you need. I think this is even a stretch up from what I have. I think I'm on the enhanced as an affiliate. But what you're going to do, you're going to go to my YouTube channel, okay? And if you're watching this on YouTube, great. Just go to the videos and you'll see it. Win one free year of Trendspider. That is the video you will comment on. Any other video you comment on does not enter you. It's that video. And you can win one free year of Trendspider. Okay? That's what I want to say. That's why I'm doing a show. I'm going to run through this. It is a light week, but it is heavy on earnings. Earnings are huge. And so we have Zoom after the bell. We had Bath and Body Works today. We're going to go over some of the crypto stuff. But Bluebird, which is an alpha pick, Best Buy, Abercrombie and Finch, another alpha pick, Macy's, CrowdStrike, Dell, HPQ. PagerDuty, you've got Dick's Sporting Goods. You've got a ton of earnings. And I went over them all. If you go to the Daily Stock Pick newsletter on Substack, right here, it's win one free. You can find the video right there, or you can go how to analyze a stock using technical fundamentals analysis. Okay. That's what I did this weekend. I went over earnings in that podcast. So just go and look at it if you'd like. But that's why I'm on this. So if we take a look at the Qs, everything seems to be roaring. By the way, I do want to say one thing. Here on Seeking Alpha, I went over this virtual analyst report. Now, what I didn't know and what was pointed out to me is I guess this is a pro feature, and the pro feature I see on my screen, upgrade to pro. I didn't think I had pro. I thought I just had the regular premium, but I guess others who haven't had luck finding this virtual analyst report tell me that it's a pro feature. Now, understand, pro is like $2,000. Personally, if it's within your budget, use my link, upgrade to pro. You will get a discount if you upgrade to pro using my link, but and it's a link here on the link tree. You can click on this Black Friday try a free 7-day trial. But understand, I need to find out exactly where this virtual analyst report is coming, because it says it's new to pro users. I have it. I see upgrade to pro on my thing. I didn't think I had pro. My apologies. I've been touting this thing. It is awesome. Is it worth the money for pro? Personally, for me, I think looking at the valuation and the fact growth, profitability, momentum, and revisions, and looking at the quant rating, I think that's perfectly fine. So the dollar amount for pro, I don't think is net. But if it's in your budget and you want this virtual analyst report, because I have found it super helpful, maybe it's worth it. But I've been touting that. My apologies on that. There is a Black Friday special, and the Black Friday special that I tell everybody is get premium and alpha picks for $509. Okay, that's still going on probably through the end of the week. So make sure that you sign up. It's all here on the link tree. Okay, there's 4 links. The first one is Trendspider. The second one is the Black Friday bundle from Seeking Alpha. It includes Alpha Picks. You might be saying, well, what the hell is Alpha Picks? Alpha Picks is a curated portfolio of 2 data-driven stocks given to you every month. You buy on the 1st, you buy on the 15th. They tell you when to sell. So it's a managed portfolio where you put in a certain percentage of each of the 36 stocks into a portfolio that you built, that you manage, and you buy on the 1st, and you sell, and you first and the 15th, and you sell when they tell you to. It is no brainer. Now you can pick the top quant picks, the strong ones. There you go. You can do that, and it's just, it's that simple. It's a no-brainer. And the reason that you want to do that, look at this, 173% over the same time period that the S&P is up 55%. So you want that bundle. And that bundle is what I'm touting. If you don't want the bundle, you don't want say you don't want alpha picks and you just want the premium because you want the quant rating and stuff, you can get $90 off. That's usually $30 off with my coupon. So you save almost $100. Give yourself a treat for the holidays. Give yourself either Seeking Alpha Premium, the bundle, or you can even just get alpha picks and say, I don't care about Seeking Alpha Premium. I just want alpha picks. And so if you get alpha picks, it's a curated portfolio. I put over $100,000 into that portfolio, and I am completely happy. In fact, my parents just looked at their portfolio this weekend, and they said, you did us really well over the past 3 weeks. No, it was alpha picks. Wasn't me. Trendspider. Remember, comment on this video. I did get an email from a gentleman named Aaron, who's a listener, big fan of the podcast. I listen to it every day. I wish I had signed up for Trendspider when I first heard about it on your podcast 6 months ago. I literally just paid for my 1-year subscription in 1 month with a CrowdStrike trade. Okay. He paid for his entire year of Trendspider with CrowdStrike. Okay. Probably bought here at 319, November 6th. Maybe he bought here September 13th and he made 17%. Got in on November. Yeah, he says he got in on November 6th when the alert went off and trimmed my position Friday, paid for the entire year. He locked in his profit, paid for the entire year of Trendspider. And their earnings are coming up this week. So I think that was great. Aaron, I'm going to include that in the newsletter. Thank you for the nice letter. I appreciate it. Shaibu Lore goes over his top 5 opportunities for 2025 and why. This is what you should have your portfolio saying. If you don't know this, you should absolutely be signed up for Seeking Out for the alpha picks. If you don't have an elevator pitch like this, you need the tools. Amazon, vertical integration, Snowflake, category-driven data performer. And this one's dipped down. This one's still under $200. TDMX, ASML, and Unity software. Okay? Shai puts it out there. He's a fantastic. He has had so many great picks. Palantir. He had Snowflake. He was super gung-ho on Snowflake. He's been right on Amazon. He's been right on so many things. Rocket Lab. He's been right on so many things, and I'm honored to share spaces with him from one time to another. He's a fantastic trader, understands how to manage his portfolio, and he does a lot for free. So make sure you're following him on Twitter. NASDAQ and S&P and Dow futures rise as Trump picks Scott Bessent for Treasury Secretary. This is interesting because he has 3 basis points. He's going to manage based on lower taxes and higher growth. And if that's the case, you want to be in the stock market. And that's what the market is telling you. You want to be in the stock market. So again, time in the market beats time out of the market, timing the market. So just make sure you're in. It is a holiday week. It should be light. Probably going to deal with a lot of volatility this week between Bitcoin and everything else. But, that's it. Now, Supermicro. Supermicro is crazy. First we're going to go, this one. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I put the wrong one in. Hold on one second. I do want to go. I will put that one up, but I do want to go to Amazon here because there's one thing that Shai was mentioning and that I told him was I asked him about IONQ. Well, there's a report here from Amazon, and I'm just gonna put this in here. Market is up. Here we go. We're gonna put that in, and that's the. Oh no, we're gonna copy this. Copy. Hold on one second. You're dealing with a guy who's not prepared because I've been packing. My apologies about this. Okay, there we go. So this is an article I read about Amazon quantum computing. And so it's got a lot of stocks. You got Amazon up 0.15, but QUBT was up 28% on Friday. It's up 15% in pre-market. QBTS, which is another quantum computing company, it was up 48% on Friday. It's up 15% this morning. ARQQ, another one, up 21% on Friday. It's up 17%. Shy has always mentioned IONQ, and even Brandon has mentioned IONQ. But this particular article points out the abundance of names in the quantum computing space and why they're moving, with Amazon touting some of the quantum computing stuff. So I thought that was interesting. Financials. Why didn't I put this in? Hedge funds. We're going to put this in. Hedge funds. Lift financial stocks. Holding financials should be a part of your portfolio. Maybe not a mainstay of your portfolio, but they should be a part of your portfolio. I just want to point out, and for all of you without seeking alpha, if you just go and say you go to Citibank, and I've been touting Citibank for a while. It's trading at 69. And ever since their earnings, they've been kind of fluttering around that 69. But I point out the book value here. Okay, book value per share, 101. That's it. I mean, if you think that the book value for banks, if you can get it under book value, they say to buy it. Now, there's obviously some problems with Citigroup that it's trading below its book value, because you go to JP Morgan and that one's like 2.2 times book value. It's 115 and it's trading for 248. So you can anything under 1.5 book value is a value stock in that sector, and you can find many of the regional banks. And DPST just had a cross up. We can talk about that. That's a triple leveraged ETF on the regional banks. DPST, it got you in here at 150. It tells you again today the MACD just reset and it's moving up. It's moving up. So DPST, this is on the regional banks. Now, weekly, obviously, this one looks horrible because it's a decaying asset. And ever since that this was COVID, and then the 2023, this was when Silicon Valley Bank went bankrupt, and all of the regional banks. It's been on a trend upward since then. You could have bought this one at 42 in October 2023. It's at 156 right now, just 156. There weren't many times that you bought this during this year where you wound up negative on this one. Now, it's a triple leveraged ETF. It's not an investment. It is absolutely not an investment. But with hedge funds going into financial stocks and Trump in here reducing regulation, this is probably one you want to look at. Now, another one that has been super volatile is Supermicro. And Supermicro up 78%. The chart looks amazing as far as a rebound goes. The risk reward on this one, I got out. I'm not getting back in until they have some type of audit plan in place. The algorithm got you in at 23. You have broken this resistance level, this one that provided resistance here on the way up back here in April, and then it provided support on the way down. You've broken above it. Does that mean it's new support? No, we've got to start drawing new trend lines. And right now, I just don't see a huge trend line. Their earnings, they weren't audited. They're going to have to do something to stay unlisted, to stay listed. And if they get unlisted, that's a problem. So understand that's a problem. And I just don't want to you can read this article. BDO is their new one. Ernst & Young resigned. And the reason they resigned, they said there's some shady shit going on. And they didn't agree with it. And so the company, which has been delisted before in its history for this exact reason, has said, no, we're fine. So if BDO goes along with it, great. You're going to see this stock rise. If not, you're going to see this damn thing fall. Now, earnings week ahead. Crowd, Dell, Zoom, Workday, HPQ, Bed Bath and Body Works. I think it's BBWI. So I put in BBWI. There it is. Bath and Body Works. This one in pre-market is up 12%. They killed it. They killed it. They absolutely killed it. And I remember D-Man telling me, you know what? I'm going to buy this one because my girlfriend likes to have candles around, and they have the best candles. There is your elevator pitch. D-Man said it's all about candles. Well, D-Man's probably up. The algorithm got you in here a couple of times at 31. It doesn't really work on this. Is this a turnaround? It's so far under the 200-day. I personally would not trade this chart. I don't like this chart. It doesn't tell me, oh my God, this is a company that I want to be in. But over the holidays, if you walk into a Bed and Bath and Body Works and your ass walks out of there and you're like, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so good. If you get that, have at it. Have at it. But earnings this week, I went over all of this in the newsletter. Okay, I went over CrowdStrike, I went over Zoom, I went over HPQ, I went over Dell, I went over Abercrombie and Finch. I went over a bunch of them in the newsletter. So it's just a podcast on the newsletter. You can go and watch it. Claim your free 7-day trial. Claim your free post. I know there's a bunch of free stuff out there. If you want to watch it and you want to, hey, Gary, can you give me a freebie? Just email me. Let me know. Holidays are up. I may give you a freebie. Might be the time of the year where I'm a little bit more giving on that realm. But yeah, Bitcoin and crypto. Do I have to say it? It's almost at 100,000. It's almost at 100,000. It's 98,000 right now. It's up 1.12%. It dipped down, I think, to 95,000 over the weekend. It's close. I've got two particular stocks. If you're into crypto, I buy IBIT, which is the black iShares, Blackstone, I think, and I buy this one. I bought it at $55.90, $54.90, somewhere like that. Couple $1,000 worth on Friday. Just decided to buy it. This is long-term buy and hold for me. And Trump wants to be, Trump wants to be the Bitcoin president. And this points it out. The president-elect in July said he wanted to turn the U.S. into crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world. He also said he would hold the cryptocurrency in a strategic national stockpile if reelected. I mean, is there one person in his administration that doesn't own Bitcoin? And then you have MicroStrategy. I read all this weekend was dissing on Michael Saylor. Let me first say this. Yes, MicroStrategy is a Ponzi scheme. Yes, it's overvalued. Yes, you may get a rug pull. But what he's doing is legal. What he's doing is a leveraged ETF on Bitcoin. Same damn thing. That's why I'm in this on the algorithm. So it's up 3%. 3% in pre-market at 437. It topped out here at 542. I'm am I taking profits on this? No, I'm trading it on the algorithm. Again, if you have a strategy that works and has proven itself, then you play it. This is a 50-50 win over 24 months. This algorithm gets you in 22 times. You win 11 times. Okay, 11 times. You lose. That means you lose 11 times. But here's the kicker. Your average win is 62%. Your average loss is 6.75%. So you wait for the win. You wait for the win. And as long as I'm doing this, I don't care that it's overvalued. I have a nice safety. I can sleep perfectly fine at night. And like Aaron said, it's going to pay for my subscription to Trendspider if I had to pay for it. Now, full disclosure, I don't pay for it. I'm an affiliate. But when you sign up for Trendspider through the Black Friday sale, you get my algorithm. Okay? Sign up for Trendspider. It's let's see, is it still 67% off? It is 65% off. Here's where it is, up to 65% off. Now, I always tell people, if you have it within your budget, this top one, pay for this for a year. Okay? Because the reality of that advanced tier is it comes with unlimited one-on-one trading. Okay, training from a product expert. This gets you set up. This gets you going. It means you don't have to figure it out for yourself. It means that you can have a Zoom meeting with a product expert to set up your screen And I give you my 4-hour algorithm. I give you everything that I use personally. It took me years to get this stuff set up. So you get all this when you sign up. If you sign up for the standard, you get it. You know, $45. Who wants that? When you've got $49 a month with the enhanced, and the enhanced comes with the AI strategy lab and a free one-on-one session. Just one, but it comes with one. That'll get you an hour with a product expert where you can set up your screen, you can set up everything, they can take you through the program. So why would you sign up for the standard when you can get the enhanced? Again, just sign. If to Aaron's point, more than likely, if we're in a bull market and you can trade one of these Bitcoin things and you can trade it on the algorithm, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Notable analyst calls this week, and I want to bring up Robinhood got a upgrade. I mean, this is a whole list of Baird sees favorable for Roku. Rosenblatt upgraded Palo Alto Networks. There's Barclays, Morgan Stanley, all upped Palo Alto Networks. It dipped. Buy the dip on that one. AstraZeneca upgraded in China, despite China headwinds. UBS. Amex Needham upgraded Robinhood to buy. And Robinhood is soaring. Robinhood, if you want an algorithm to trade Robinhood, this is one that actually works. Okay? This one, over 24 and a half months, you have 27 positions. You only win 41% of the time, but because of the volatility, you make 278%. Okay, your average win, 22%. Your average loss, 4%. And so you can see it got you in here at 19. You're at 36. That was November 6th. It got you in at 19. It got you out November 1st with a 15% gain. Now it got you in higher. So if you just bought at this 20 and then just held it, you've almost doubled your money since then. You've almost doubled your money since then. And that's how good the algorithm is. Again, it's the 4-hour algorithm. It's something that I hold as proprietary to me. So if you have any questions on that, you can certainly message me. But yeah. So there, I have a whole bunch of scans, but again, I'm just doing this as a Monday morning thing because I got to pack and I got to leave. So I hope you have a great day. Remember, you must comment on any other platform, any other place. It is not on this YouTube video, and I'm going to shut off comments so that you don't comment and you don't chat. You comment on this video. Win 1 free year of Trendspider, okay?
Why is everyone spiraling over YouTube banning ad blockers? Like, chill, guys. Just use Pi. It's a free Chrome extension.
And it's a contest. You comment below. Right now, there's 57 comments. That means, just so you're aware, that means you have a 1 in 57 chance of winning 1 free year of Trendspider Advanced. So just add your comment down here, okay? Just tell me what you want to see. Watch the video and then comment because there's a little hidden bonus in there. So watch the video. It is all of 8 minutes. Watch the video to the end and then just comment right there. You can't comment anywhere else. But we will announce the winner on Wednesday. That's why I'm doing this on Monday. But I am literally packing this entire setup up, going to my parents up in New Jersey, and I will see you probably next week. So you comment on this video, Profesh, right here. You go to my YouTube channel and chat replay is disabled for this from Premiere. You don't chat on it. You comment down below. Okay, comment down below. The comment section. You have to comment. And that gets you entered. You have to follow myself. You have to follow Trendspider. It is very simple. It is laid out right here. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to Trendspider. Like and share this video. Comment your favorite trading indicator or strategy. Discover out Trendspider. I prefer you guys like and share it. Share it out there. You know, again, you have 1 in 57 chance as of right now of winning. So go and comment there. Okay, that's it. I will talk to you guys next week. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. I hope it is filled with abundance. I hope you eat as much mashed potatoes as I do. And remember, the Black Friday sales end. Trendspider, and then the Black Friday sale right here on the combo with Premium and Seeking Alpha picks. So Get your Black Friday sale. Don't come crying to me when the Black Friday sales are over and you're like, it costs too much money. Well, this is a great one. Perfect. Okay. Talk to you guys later.
Morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears. Tune in daily, don't miss a single show. Sign up for the newsletter, let us help you grow. Taking risks, making moves, seeking success. Together we'll conquer, no room for any less. Every morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears.